Good afternoon YouTube and the internet. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on a BA Falcon. Again, very simple job, not difficult at all, doesn't even require any tools. So you get your filter, open up the air box. There's some clips, 4 clips, 2 at the front, 1 at the back on either side. They just pull off and you literally just lift your airbox off out of the way. Pull the old filter out, job done. That filter there is about 50,000 k's old. I put it in when I first bought the car. So now we just chuck our, this can only go one way because there's one rounded corner, or one corner with a bigger radius. Chuck the filter back in, just like that. Do you want to get closer? Okay. And then we just slip our airbox back over the top. It might take a bit of jiggling to get it to seat correctly. I find it's best to do this one up at the front first because it can be a bit harder to get at. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. As easy as that. Literally a 1-minute job. So there's no excuse not to do that at all. And all of a sudden your engine's got much cleaner air getting into it. What's next?